Good evening, sir. I am M. Manoj Kumar from Triple Section A. Today I am going to explain a topic polyphase connections of a three-phase transformer for CAA2. First, introduction to polyphase connections of a three-phase transformer. In three-phase system of transformer, the three phases can be connected in either star or delta configuration. In any of this configuration, there will be a phase difference of 120 degrees between any two phases. The following images explain the star and delta configuration. First image, star configuration. In star configuration, center point must tie either negative or all positive ends together. It means the only negative ends or only positive ends can tie together. In delta connection, the winding polarities must stack together in a complementary manner. That is positive to negative. Now, windings of a three-phase transformer can be connected in various configuration. That is star-star configuration, delta-delta configuration, star delta connection, delta star connection, open delta and Scott connection. These are the polyphase connections of a three-phase transformer. First star-star connection or YY connection. Star-star connection is generally used for small high voltage transformers. Because of star connection, number of required turns per phase is reduced. Yes, phase voltage in star connection is 1 by root 3 times of the line voltage only. Thus, in star-star connection, we reduce the turns per phase, and the amount of insulation required is also reduced. The ratio of line voltages on the primary side and second side is equal to the transformation ratio of transformer. Line voltages on both sides are in phase with each other. This connection can be used only if the connector load is balanced. It means the star-star connection is used for only balanced loads. This diagram represents the star-star connected transformer. It means the primary is also connected in star connection and the secondary is also connected in star connection. Delta-delta connection. In this connection, both primary and secondary windings are delta connected. The line voltage in primary are equal to the line voltage in secondary. The transformation ratio is the voltage ratio. It is good for heavy loads and fault tolerance. It can cancel the triple harmonics. It means that the harmonics in a waveform will be cancelled by this. The line current is root 3 times greater than the phase current. It is the schematic diagram of a delta-delta connection system. The primary and secondary both the windings are connected in delta connection. Next, delta star or delta Y connection. The primary winding is connected in delta and the secondary winding is connected in star with neutral grounded. Thus, it can be used to provide three-phase four-way service. It is used in three-phase four-way service. This type of connection is mainly used in step-up transformer at the beginning of transmission line. It means these type of transformers are connections. This type of connection is used in the transmission lines. At the starting end of the transmission lines. The ratio of secondary to primary line voltage is root 3 times the transformation ratio. There is 30-degree shift between the primary and secondary line voltages. It means there is the 30-degree shift between the primary and secondary line voltages. This diagram is a schematic diagram for delta star connection. In this diagram, the primary winding is connected in delta and the secondary winding is connected in star. Now star delta or Y delta connection. The primary winding is star connected with grounded neutral and the secondary winding is delta connected. This connection is mainly used in step-down transformer at the substation end of the transmission line. The ratio of the secondary to primary line voltage is 1 by root 3 times the transformation ratio. There is in this also there is 30 degrees phase shift between the primary and secondary voltages. This diagram shows the schematic diagram of star delta connection. Open delta connection. Two transformers are used and primary and secondary connections are made as shown in the figure below. That means the figure is shown in the next slide. Open delta connection can be used when one of the transformers in delta delta bank is disabled and the service is to be continued until the faulty transformer is repaired or replaced. It can be used for small three-phase loads where installation of full three-phase transformer bank is unnecessary. It means installation of three transformers bank is unnecessary. It can be used for small loads only. The total load carrying capacity of open delta connection is 57.7% than that would be for delta delta connection. This diagram shows the open delta connection. That is one end of the primary winding is connected to the another end of the primary winding, and the secondary winding is connected also same. And the last one is Scott connection. Two transformers are used in this type of connection. One of the transformer has center taps on the both primary and secondary windings, which is called as main transformer. The other transformer is called as teaser transformer. Scott connection can also be used for three-phase to two-phase conversion. It means by using Scott connection, we can convert three-phase power into two-phase power. The connection is made as shown in the figure below. In this is the schematic diagram of a three-phase transformer of Scott connection. It means the second end of the primary winding is connected to the 50% of the second transformer primary winding. Thank you, sir.